guys, welcome back. This is Onyx Food Hill. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I'm simply going to show you how to make this delicious snack. I know you are going to love it. We are going to be making donuts. These are popular snacks all over the world. You just need some simple ingredients to make this and you're good to go. So let me go ahead and show you how I make this in the kitchen. These are the ingredients I'll be using for this. I'm going to list them down in the description box. You're going to combine a glass of warm milk into a bowl. Make sure your milk is warm. Add 2 teaspoons of instant yeast into the milk. Combine 1/4 cup of sugar. A pinch of salt if you are not using salted butter. 3 tablespoons of melted butter. And then add 1 egg into it. You're going to stir this to incorporate. When you're sure everything is well combined, set this aside. Now combine 2 cups of plain flour in a bowl. Be sure to keep a little aside for the kneading. Now I'm going to add some grated nutmeg. This is just optional. I just choose to add nutmeg. Bring the egg mixture into the flour. You can use a spatula or your hands to mix this. I'm going to be using my hands. Just make sure your hands are very clean. So now you have mixed this for a while. The resulting dough is supposed to be soft and moist and not sticky at all. So we are going to transfer this to a flat surface. You're going to dust your surface with just a little flour. Make sure your surface is clean enough. We're going to transfer the dough to the surface and start kneading. Now you have kneaded this and you are sure it is well incorporated. You're going to grease your bowl, then transfer the dough into it. You're going to place a cling film over it to prevent air from entering and also to stop it from drying out. This should be kept in a warm place for about 50 minutes to 1 hour until it triples its actual size. Look at the way it is. So you're just going to deflate this. You're going to make sure your surface is dusted again. Now bring the dough on it. Roll it out with a pin. Here I have this donut cutter. This is what I'm going to use to cut the donuts. If the center isn't coming out as it's supposed, you can use a bottle cover to perfect it. That's just what I'm doing. Now you want to transfer this into a tray. So I'm just going to bring this together and mix it up again before I cut. Now you're going to still proof this for 10 minutes until it doubles again. Now the dough has risen again just a little bit, so you're going to start frying this in a preheated oil. Oil should just be deep enough to fry the dough. Now, to test the oil, you're going to drop just a piece of the dough into the oil. If it rises to the top, it means the oil is hot, but if it sinks down to the oil, it means it's not hot, so you're going to wait for it to get hot. Right now I'm sure my oil is hot, so I'm going to be adding in the donuts to fry. Be sure not to overcrowd your pan. You're going to fry one side at a time for a minute, then flip over to the other side. Once both sides are golden brown, remove from the oil and place on a rack to drain. Now repeat the process with the remaining dough and you're done. Now your donuts are ready. You can decide to coat this in sugar, this is what the donuts look like. You can serve this as it is or you coat them in granulated sugar. Look at this, the fluffy it is, the better it is. These are very fluffy, they are not dried at all, and the taste really amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave your comment, like this video and share this with your friends. Until next time, bye.